So what are some of your favorite companies and routes to take when it comes to those in the world? Origin, Maingear, Dell, HP, all of that.
I know for pre-builds, we have used CyberPower and iBuyPower.
Okay.
We have actually upgraded our son's junior deal's computer several times now, and he's got a CyberPower. So hopefully I'm saying that. CyberPower, iBuyPower. We've got, well, it's because we do so many builds and we deconstruct them and then we build new ones and then we upgrade them and then we change this and we change that and we change, and Tech's got it all in his head. And I'm like,
it's hard to keep track with everything.
yes, it is. And so if it's confusing for me, I can imagine our viewers on the other end, how it is for them. You know, I see the pain in chat. Should I go this? Should I go that? Should I go this? Should I go that? And if I go this, well, then it depends on this, and this, and this, and this.
And I think that's why people end up being like, I'm just going to go to these websites and just have other people build it for me.
Yeah. And you know, what's interesting is with Newegg, they now have the PC part builder. So you can actually build your computer. And so if you choose XYZ motherboard, it tells you the CPUs, or if you pick this CPU, it tells you the motherboard compatibility. Nice. So that kind of at least makes it a little bit easier. But when you've got, 10 motherboards all within $10 of each other, it's like, well, geez.
Which one?
Which one? What the hell do I buy?
Yeah.
And so that's kind of where our videos come in, because we are tech deals.
Right.
And tech's very much on the value for the money. Mm-hmm. So like, with Intel right now with their 10th gen chips, there's like, I think we counted 32. From the high one to the 2-core 4-thread, well, what do you buy? And it's different for different budgets. So if you're a really enthusiast, this is the deal. If you're a mid-range enthusiast, this is the deal. And if you're a budget, well, then this is the deal. So when people ask what's the deal, it's like, well, where do you fit? And interestingly enough, when you when you go to create a computer in the Newegg part builder, it asks you, are you this kind of budget? Are you this kind of budget? Or are you this budget? Like, where do you want to be? Hello.
I know. Sorry. How unprofessional of me.
It's like, I haven't heard that in a while.
Do you guys ever... Sorry. Continue.
I was going to say, as far as pre-builds, iBuyPower or CyberPower is what we recommend. But I mean, yeah, there is Origin. There is several different companies out there. Mm-hmm. But you've got to pick what parts you want in it. And that's where our live streams come in, our videos come in. Mm-hmm. Twitter, Tech posts a lot of deals on Twitter and our Discord as well, Tech Deals Discord. So it's like, if you are in the right place at the right time, the one I always make a joke about Tech is that he'll wake up and his nose goes in there. I can smell a deal. And poof, it's right there. And he's, oh, there it is. And I hear this, honey, I saved us some money. What you buy now? So, the deals, just find it. I don't know. It doesn't matter what it is. If it's a deal, it'll be right. And he'll post it on Twitter. He'll post it on Discord. And it's like, he'll bring it to the live streams. Here's the deals.
And you guys, I mean, it's like the definition of owning a niche. I talk about that all the time, how if you can just find it, whatever that is for you, and if you're passionate about it and you own that space, then you're going to find an audience. You guys have found a very passionate audience who gets in the nit and gritty of PC parts and computers.
They do. And there's a wide range of people too, because we have the high-end enthusiasts, and then we've got the 15-year-olds who are trying to piece together a PC from their lawn mowing that they do on the weekends. Mm-hmm. And that's kind of a wide range of people to help.
Yeah.